What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't posted in a couple weeks. I've been gone on vacation and everything. Today I'm just going to do just a video of just printing with me, basically. I have an order from a buddy of mine. It's a 10-piece order, and it's one single color. I got it from TKO. So I'm just going to do a video on it, just me printing some of the shirts, just to show you guys, you know, get back into the groove of things. So like I said, I ordered these. I got 15 of them because the price break, and I believe I got them for $30 plus the shipping. They're one hit, 12 by 12, and the shipping for everybody else depends on where you're going to be at. But these came to $30 for 15 of them, which isn't bad at all. So it's going on white shirt. It's 5 large, 5 extra large. So I'm just gonna get right into printing these shirts and just, you know, set the camera up so you guys can watch me print some shirts. A little different video today. All right, guys, so we are right at temp here. I set mine to 314 degrees, and it's gonna be for 10 seconds on mine. They call for, let's see here, 300 to 325 for 7 seconds. Heavy pressure hot peel. This is how I'm doing it with my press. This is going to be my first one. Gonna lint roll it first. Get a pre-press in there. So I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna go 3 fingers down from the collar here. 3 to 4 fingers. Gonna center it up. You could crease your transfer if you want to center it up. I'm just gonna lay them and hit it. Like I said, it's I have mine set for 10 seconds. Hot peel. No cover sheet. It's the easy way to make money. Quick money. One hit, one color. Nothing left on the transfer. TKO Active Sport. There's shirt. I'm just gonna lay them off to the side. I'll do the extra largest first. These are Gildan's heavy cotton I'm using. A lot of people use these for just throwaway shirts. This is some sort of festival, I believe he's going with his business. So it's just gonna be just for just wearing them there. So you line everything up. Easy money right here. A lot of people that come to me with their designs is things that that's their logos. So I don't even have to do anything. If people come to you with the vector files already and everything, you don't have to do anything besides send it off to the transfer company and then print it up. Going 3 to 4 fingers down on it. Like I said, it's a hot peel. These are just my first 2, so I'm trying to get lined up here. Make sure I'm centered with it. A lot of these one hits, You don't gotta be crazy with it. See, like I showed you here. So you can take your transfer. A lot of people do it, even if I have harder ones, and I'll crease it right at the center. Obviously you can see where the center is on this, but I crease it there so I know where the center of my transfer is. Then you don't really have to measure anything up. It's easier to make them orders go quick. I got a lot of these white Gildans in stock, so I got them actually before inflation. So actually I'm saving a lot of money on the shirts. And these white shirts, like I said, make sure you wash your hands before you're doing white shirts, because I've had so many issues of just not even, not even having crazy dirty hands, just literally grab something in here and end up getting dirt on it. An order like this, I just got home from work, gonna bang this order out quick, but it's easy money. Anybody could do this. Everybody, there's always people out there looking for t-shirts, and I got another order next week for the same thing. It's like 10 shirts, one print. So I mean, it's just, these one hits are just easy money. There's nothing that goes into it. Besides, especially when people have the artwork already done. But then if you got to do artwork, then just charge them up on the artwork. I'll be coming out with a lot more content. Like I said, I just got back from vacation, so I had to get these orders done, the ones that I have for this week and next week. But I ordered all this stuff when I was gone, so it's all ready when I got back. I'll speed this process up in the video. Okay guys, so let me hold that up here. I'm gonna show you the finish that I did, the 10 shirts I did. Basically took me about 10 minutes, plus I was videotaping it, and if I wasn't doing all that, I just come home, jump right into it. I had to, you know, move around with the camera, so it took me a little bit longer. So like I said, easy money right here. All the shirts, 10 shirts, the whole job done right here. So I just wanted to put out a quick video for you guys to show you guys like a, you know, just a day of me running home after work, banging out an order real quick. It's as easy as that. So I'm going to get into more, you know, getting more videos out for you guys. This is what I got today. I just wanted to get another video uploaded. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to keep coming out with more of this t-shirt content. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.